Do you want to go get a puppuccino? Yeah? Oh yeah. You want to go? Okay, let's go. Vlogmas Unplugged, day 2. We've made it 2 days, y'all. We've actually, even though in the last episode I was making fun of influencers for running fake errands, but we actually do have to go to Best Buy because, as I very so ambitiously decided yesterday that I was going to do Vlogmas, I don't have a hard drive to edit on, so we gotta go to Best Buy, and since we're out, we might as well go to Starbucks and bring the dogs with us so they could get a pop cup. You guys ready? Oh my god, she's really ready.
Hey, jeez.
Oh my god. June gets a little bit scared of the car, but she's being a brave girl today. Look at you in your captain's chair. Can we definitely do one pup cup? Our dogs are going crazy.
Absolutely.
And I'm gonna do an iced grande chai latte with one espresso shot and sugar cookie cream cold foam. Thank you. And do you guys have like a butter croissant?
We certainly do.
Okay, I'll do one of those as well.
Perfect. Warmed up, right?
Yes, please. Thank you.
That sounds kind of good. I'll do a grande chai with 2 espresso shots as well.
You have Ratergy. You know, like Tenergy? You have Ratergy.
I think the person holding up the line's got the Ratergy.
Oh my god. When did you turn into such a grouchy grandpa?
That would be butter croissant. And then I have popcorn.
Thank you. Is there any way to add the ham and Swiss baguette?
Yeah, no problem. How many sides do you want to use?
Thank you.
Okay, I've never had the sugar cookie cold foam, so... Oh my god, that's amazing.
You're a bad bone.
Okay, you need help going under? Okay, go ahead. Okay, nice, nice. There you go. We are back home and I'm gonna be editing a video for Instagram and TikTok. It is my cookie Christmas challenge that I'm trying to figure out the best recipe for Riley's godmother's iconic Christmas cookie party that I was invited to now that I'm married into the family. So I already made Grinch cookies. I also did white chocolate chip peppermint cookies, which were amazing. Since I'm not really a baker, when I was making these cookies and the amount of sugar, I was like, oh my god, this is a lot. And now looking back and editing this video, I'm still like, holy crap, that was a lot of sugar. Riley's teaching me how to edit videos again.
Oh, hello.
Show me how to do this. Is that it?
That's it. It's probably gonna have to update.
Oh my god.
Party on. Oh, just start editing, cutting out the bulk. You can start cranking away.
No, don't say that word, it's triggering. Riley's moved his editing station out here to help me because I've had so many questions already on this vlog.
It's about to get 50,000 steps in just in the house.
So I just finished editing the vlog. It's a little bit short. I'm kind of like, I gotta do more things. I just got groceries. I've really been craving soups lately. I made a tortellini soup last weekend, and this weekend I really want to try making potato. Listen, I never claimed to be a chef, but I can follow a recipe off of Pinterest really well. Let's fucking cook.
I'm missing my glass of wine, so that is a major problem.
Well, pour it yourself, bitch.
What's our preferred chop here?
Honestly, I'm just trying to get this done as quick and fast as possible because I am so hangry and I barely ate today, so there is no method whatsoever.
Do the hangry chop. Do 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 do
This is the
Do the hangry
hangry
chop. Do.
Look at you making up your own dance.
You missed your cue.
Sorry, do the hangry chop. Do the hangry chop. You cutting up some carrots? Jim Carrey?
Yeah. You still doing the hangry chop?
No, this is a little bit more precision of a chop. The recipe is saying it needs to come to a soft boil for about 10 minutes. I don't know, do you think it needs, I mean, we will add milk and stuff to the recipe for more liquid, but like, I'm just worried there's not enough broth in here.
Yeah, I think some more broth. Do we have any?
Yeah, it's right near you.
Oh, look at that. Ta-da.
I'll just put a little bit more because there is supposed to be milk in it, so I don't want it to be too like soupy. It's supposed to be more creamy.
Soupy.
I know, you love the soupy vibe. Whenever you have a soup, you always need to have bread. I mean, hello, that's the whole point of bread, to dunk it in shit. When I make my garlic bread, I do it very, very simple, but it always comes out really good. I always put just like a nice layer of butter down. I take a little bit of minced garlic and I kind of just spread it across. I'm doing this with one hand, by the way, okay? So don't judge me. And the last thing I do is just add some actual garlic powder because you can never have enough garlic, okay? Riley's got his bacon going. I made this little milky texture thing that's supposed to go into the potato soup, but it's not thickening up, so I don't know if I need to add more flour. Ooh, that's looking good. Gotta end it off with a little garnish. I think a little bit of cheese and some green onion. There we have it. This looks so divine. Oh my God, okay, I have to do like a first bite on camera for you guys. It is so thick and creamy. Riley, you need first bite too. Ooh, this shit's hot as hell. We might need a minute. The spoon is freaking steaming.
She made a mess already. That's a pretty accurate representation of her mess making skills.
It's good?
Damn.
We did it!
Okay,
okay, we did it! Alright, now I need to try this because how did you get to try it without it
just get
burning your throat off?
Thin little bite.
Why are you staring at me?
What are you doing with that paper towel?
I'm trying not to make a mess. Oh my God.
Good.
That's incredible. We really did that. So I'm looking at my broadcast channel on Instagram and I'm so happy because you guys are finally able to respond to things now on there. So I'm just looking, I asked a question like, what do you guys want to see for the holidays? So a lot of people are asking for recipes, Christmas cocktails, DIYs. These first 2 episodes that I'm putting out are definitely smaller vlogs in length, and I would love to at least have like 15 to 20 minute vlogs for you guys. Moe's back under his blankie. June's on her pillows.
About to watch The Sopranos.
I told Riley before we got married that he needed to at least see some of The Sopranos so we could get the culture.
Yeah, it's fantastic.
It is so put together so well.
We've got pretty much 1 season left.
Yeah, well, shit's about to go down now. Everyone's still alive.
You've been saying that every time.
Yeah.
I keep telling you not to give away hints, but you can't help yourself.
I'm trying not to spoil things for Riley, but there's so many things that are coming up that I'm like, oh no! And he's like, shh.
Tell her, please don't tell me anything about this. And then 2 minutes later, she's like, oh, wait till you see what happens to so-and-so. Yeah.
Ripped off my thumbnails because the end of The Sopranos season 5 was just so nerve-wracking. A little nighttime routine. I feel like as I'm getting older, skincare is getting more and more important, but that doesn't mean I like doing it anymore. Sometimes I just want to go to bed and not have to deal with washing my face. Do you get me? Tooth care?
Do you do that?
Brushing your teeth? Yes.
It's more than just that.
I got these little hearts off of Amazon. They're pretty great to use when traveling. I'm just using mine right now because I'm too lazy to do the laundry and actually get my reusable makeup remover ready. So I didn't wear any makeup today, so I'm not gonna double cleanse. One thing I will say, these are the best for wiping your face after you put on your cleanser, like to just get the water off your face. It's the Clean Skin Club, and I get these off of Amazon, but I believe they have a website too. They're 100% biodegradable, and they are just the best, and I think that's why my skin is as good as it is and as clear as it is, because I'm not reusing the same wipe or face sheet or just in general like dirty hand towel to wipe off my clean face from any water. So I definitely recommend these. They also make them in bamboo. Tower 28 SOS Spray. I cannot say enough good things about this, especially if you have eczema, dermatitis, perioral dermatitis. I'm gonna go in with this Drunk Elephant B-Hydra Hydrating Serum. I usually use this in morning and night just because I have such dry skin. I really like to make sure my skin is as hydrated as possible. This is actually a new try for me. This is the Naturium Advanced Peptide Serum. So we'll give her a try too while we're at it. And then I'm gonna finish it off with the Tatcha Indigo Overnight Repair. This is one of the most supple, thick, rich moisturizers I've ever used for like a nighttime moisturizer. It's really, really nice. And as a disclaimer, a lot of the products I use are meant for dry, aging skin. So if you have oily skin, I'm not necessarily sure how these products would work on you. I can only really speak to my skin. Last step, I always do my little hair care routine. So I'm using the Vegamore. This is the Grow Plus Advanced Serum all over my scalp to help with hair growth, especially like back here. I used to have a lot of problems with my hairline, but now it's all like the back and the top. And since I'm a sweaty sleeper and my hair is newly washed, I've actually been going to bed with dry shampoo in my hair, just at the roots, but I do that just because I am such a sweaty sleeper. Okay guys, I will see you tomorrow for the next Vlogmas. We're doing it 2 days in. I'm proud of myself. All right guys, see ya.